Mono bukurumi bogende twanekigwa ase county ya Machakos mugavana we county yo musubatu Wavinya Ndeti nigabe kagwe soke na kurwa kure Getindi gochia se bali bonsi barachi ko bwateranigwa ase nsemo yo bukurumi mnanigo arachi ko bimukiria egetamo kere Getindi kerichiko.
The lives of public officers are clearly drawn by the law, procedures and practices. Should an officer breach these lines, then I shall not hesitate to take administrative and other necessary actions against them. Health is the greatest wealth our people can find. Provision of quality, timely, and efficient and affordable healthcare service for the residents of Machakos County remains one of my top priorities in my administration. I am now encouraged that Mr. Kisii is taking over the department at a time I am initiating rigorous reforms in the structures and service delivery. Very soon, I will be rolling out my strategy for re-engineering the health sector in Machakos County. Waziri Kisii, your entry is already full. One of your first assignments will be steering these reforms to the highest possible standards. You must deliver.